Hey, what's up, everyone? Just have a quick unboxing, unbagging of something that I just picked up from the Apple store, but it might not be what you think. I went to the Apple store, if I can even get this out of the freaking bag. And I purchased this. It's my first drone. I've never had one before, but I don't know. I've just been watching a lot of videos on them, and I kind of wanted to try one out. And I thought this one might be my best bet because I've heard that it's got the smaller form factor, kind of like the Spark does, the DJI Spark, but it also has a lot of the features of the Mavic Pro, which I kind of liked. So, yeah, these were actually sold out in a lot of places, so I was just trying to find any store that had one of these in stock. And for some reason, I thought maybe the Apple store would have one, just because they sell, like, you know, Beats headphones and some other stuff. So I thought I would check. And they do have them there. I think they only carry the white version, the Arctic white. So there's the Arctic white. Sorry, I use a knife to unbox. I don't have anything nicer. They have there's Arctic white, flame red, and onyx black. I think just being an Apple thing, they carry the Arctic white. Because I only saw white drones there. They had the white Spark, and they had the white Mavic Pro there. It's like an exclusive one to Apple. So I'm going to try to unbox this thing. I'm not going to fly it because at this point it's like almost 10 o'clock at night where I'm at. So it's probably not the best time to fly a drone. What really got me interested kind of in these is my friend has a DJI Phantom 3, I want to say. And it was really neat. I don't know, I'm still a little skeptical on the whole drone thing. I think my biggest issue with them is that they can only fly for like 20 minutes, if that. So, I mean, I guess if you're using like some clips, you know, just to put in a video, your videos, unless they're 20 minutes long, you know, you should have enough footage for a video if you want to shoot one. But it's kind of hard for me to get over the fact that, you know, you could be driving somewhere and it's going to take you longer to drive somewhere than it would for the amount of time you would actually get to even fly your drone. I mean, you can get batteries and stuff like that, but I didn't want to spend too much on a drone until I really see how much I like it. So here is the box. Like I said, this is the Arctic white version. So this is very like Apple style, the way they have this. So I guess this just folds up. And it comes in this nice looking DJI case. So put that there. Then there is another box which has some paperwork in there. Looks like it has the wing guards, which I'm happy it comes with that, just because I've actually never even flown a drone. I've just seen my friend fly his. So they kind of look like that. Those are the wing guards. I don't even know if that's the right name to call them. They're very light though, which you could imagine. I mean, they're plastic. So that just has your, here's the extra wings. So it does come with extra wings. I'm probably calling this the totally wrong thing. I guess those are called propellers, protectors, whatever. And then the reason, kind of another reason why I didn't go with the Spark was because a controller is like $150. So here's the Mavic Air controller, which it's got some decent weight to it, actually. It's not as like plasticky as you'd think it is. But I'll do like a more in-depth like review and stuff like that once I actually get a chance to fly the thing. But yeah, this is the controller. But what I was saying before is that the Spark doesn't come with a controller. I mean, there might be some bundles that you can get that do. But I just thought buying that drone at, I don't know, between $300 to $500 and then having to spend $150 for a new controller, you know, you're kind of starting to get up towards the price of the Air. And I would just rather have the Air, which is going to have some features, you know, that the Mavic Pro has. So I think there's one other thing in the box. Let me see what this is. Oh, okay. So there's your charger. It has 2 USB slots on it. I'll just pull this out just so everyone can see it. Now, I have seen some videos online where some people were having issues with their Mavic Airs. I think the guy's name is... Sorry, I don't remember his name. He's a YouTube guy, but it's Oz something. But I watched a couple of his videos. Sorry if you end up somehow seeing this, man. I'll try to look up your name and put it in the comments so people can check it out. But here's the charger. Nothing special. And then there's some other cables which I'm sure charge either the controller or the drone itself. But anyways, so that Oz guy, I know he had a couple issues with getting his controller to sync to his drone, and he was shown that the DJI customer support isn't the best. So I'm hoping I have no issues with this. But yeah, I mean, this case is very tiny. Sorry, I'm kind of jumping all over the place with my topics. But this case is pretty nice. It's nicely padded, soft, and has like a little pocket on the back side. So if you just got to slip something in. And I just knocked the box off the table. But here is the drone itself. And I mean, that's my hand. And that's the size of the drone. So I mean, the drone fits right into my hand just like that. So I mean, this thing, it's tiny, but it has more weight than I thought it would. Propellers are pretty light, as you'd think. And then that's essentially it in the case. So you're not fitting much more in the case. You'll have to take this other stuff separately. Let me see if I can figure out. I'm afraid to flip these out just because I've never really messed with a drone and I don't want to break anything. I think I saw someone say you flip out the back legs first. I don't know. I should probably... Oh, there we go. Okay. I wasn't going to try it, but I remember kind of seeing what he did. So you flip the back leg down like that. And then you flip this one down. Okay, so we got that like that. Then I think you do... Okay, then you just pull these side ones out, which are the front ones, and then you flip down these landing feet, which I believe are kind of like antennas. Yeah, and that's the full size of the drone. So that in my hand is kind of like that. So, I mean, it's not the biggest thing, which I kind of liked, or I do like about it. That's the one thing I didn't really like about the Mavic pro per se is the bigger size of it. I want to see how I like a drone first, and then if I end up liking this, I might opt to get a bigger size one down the road. But I thought this one was a happy medium of you know, size to, you know, portability, and the fact that it comes with a controller and everything is pretty cool. So I will have some flight footage after I get a chance to fly it tomorrow, but like I said, I've never had a drone before, so I'm gonna kind of like read into the manual tonight and really make sure I know what I'm doing before I start getting the police calling me because I'm flying in a restricted area or something. So, but I will keep you guys updated on anything. Let me know if you have any questions, and like I said, if you're looking to find one of these and you're trying to pick one up instead of waiting for it to get shipped, check your local Apple store. You might be lucky and find one like I did. I mean, if you're looking for the white one. I was torn between white or black, and I really didn't care, but I decided to go with the white, and looks pretty nice. I think black would look pretty cool too.